In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio to the stack card widgets in the all-new Adobe Captivate. I'm Paul Wilson, and I make videos about e-learning, specifically with the authoring tool Adobe Captivate. If you enjoy what I'm doing here, by all means like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your e-learning colleagues. So I had a viewer reach out to me through my YouTube channel. They were a little confused about adding the audio to the stack card widgets, so I thought I'd give it a try today. Let's take a look. So I've created a stack card widget with 4 cards in this case here. My first thought is because the first card is shown on the slide to begin with, what we'd want to do is actually play the first card's audio on slide enter. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and we'll choose slide enter. We'll click on more and we'll go to play media and we'll browse to where I happen to have step1.mp3 and we'll go ahead and press open there. Okay. Now in this case here, to see and hear what's on the second card, we're going to be clicking on the first card. So I'm going to select the first card, click Add an Interaction, choose Click Tap, and then choose Play Media, and we'll browse to step number 2.mp3. We'll click Open, and that sort of takes care of our second card there. Let's go to the second card. And what we'll do is we'll add an interaction that plays the audio for the third card. So we'll do that right now. We'll browse to where step number 3 is heard and shown. And we'll click Done. Let's choose card number 3. We'll add an interaction, click Tap, and we're going to play the media associated with step number 4 and click Open. And then finally, we will go to card number 4. When we click on card number 4, it's going to take us back to card number 1. So we want to play the media associated with step number 1 here. So we'll choose that, click on open here, and I'm just going to make sure that the cards look the same here. Subheading 5. There we go. So they kind of look nice here. When you preview the stack card widget, it will always start with whatever happens to be displayed in Captivate. So it's a good idea to click on card number 1 so that we're seeing it from the beginning of the interaction here. Let's go ahead and preview this. All right.
Be specific and tell the person exactly what it was that offended you. This is an important first step and will help the person understand the problem.
So we just heard the slide enter action of playing that particular audio. Now clicking on the card that we see here that corresponds to that should take us to card number 2 and we'll hear the audio for card number 2.
Don't just say the behavior was wrong. Tell them how it made you feel. Use I statements to help your coworker understand how their actions or comments impacted you. It's an essential step to explain what acceptable behavior would be and how you expect them to behave.
So there's the third card.
Finally, describing what steps you will take if you do not see a change in their behavior will help them understand the seriousness of the matter. These steps should be based on the reporting process from the harassment policy.
Now, interestingly enough, this is the 4th card, and technically we are done, but our next button is still disabled. So I'm going to click this anyway, and it'll come back around to card number 1. We'll hear the audio for that again.
Be specific and tell the person exactly what it was that offended you. This is an important first step and will help the person understand the problem.
And of course, the next button is available, and your students could continue with the rest of the e-learning project.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.